When the morning light touches the sky, I feel my spirit learning to fly. No chains of fear, no walls to see. The wind of heaven is guiding me through the forest and over the sea. The voice of silence speaks to me. Every star lights up my way, showing where my soul will stay. I am a free bird in the sky, wings of spirit flying high. No more shadows over me. I was born to just be free. I am a free bird, pure and bright, dancing in the sacred light. Through the heavens my soul will sing, freedom in my healing wings. Mother Earth beneath my feet, every heartbeat feels complete. In the wind I hear the call. Love is living in us all. I am a free bird in the sky, wings of spirit flying high. No more shadows over me. I was born to just be free. I am a free bird, pure and bright, dancing in the sacred light. Through the heavens my soul will sing, freedom in my healing wings. Am a free bird in the sky, wings of spirit flying high. No more shadows over me. I was born to just be free. I am a free bird, pure and bright, dancing in the sacred light. Through the heavens my soul will sing, freedom in my healing wings. So I fly where love can lead, free in heart, free indeed, like a prayer upon the wind. My spirit flies again.